Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, stock number E18548. 34,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Gray Caravan seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Rear heat and air control to make sure everybody's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Deep storage well behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges, again only 34,000 miles. Cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Slide-out cup holders, storage and power outlets. More storage in the removable center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.